Hello everyone, my name is Srikanth. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video will start building our enterprise lab environment from the scratch. And we'll install today completely configure the domain controller. To configure the domain controller, these are the few steps we need to follow. First, we'll install the VirtualBox. Then we'll install the Windows Server operating system. Once that is done, we'll install the VirtualBox drivers. Okay. Then after that, we'll change the basic configuration settings like host name, network adapter, and firewalls. And then after that, we'll install the domain controllers. Once that is done, we'll create the new domain. Okay. Once that is done, like it will get automatically restarted. Once the post restart, again we need to verify that network adapter settings and all. Okay. Once that is done, these are the few uh, things we are going to do. That once that is done, by the end of this video you'll have fully functional domain controller for the Microsoft Configuration Manager installation. Why to wait? Let's get started. Okay. In earlier video, like whatever the required softwares, we already explained you how to download them, like try to download them. And this video will start building the lab. Okay. Whatever the softwares we downloaded earlier, like let's try to keep them in one separate folder so that we can able to easily access them. Okay. In our first step, we need to install the VirtualBox. Okay. Let's try to install the VirtualBox. This is the VirtualBox exe file. Directly open it. Now just click on yes. Okay. No need to configure any, like just go with the default settings. Go to next. Okay. Accept the license here. Click next. Yes. Just go with the basic settings. Okay. No need to worry anything. Click on next. It will take few seconds. Okay, now it is installed. Okay, let's finish. Okay, let's open the VirtualBox. Okay, let me, I think we need to create here. Okay, go to click on new. Here we need to select the what is the virtual machine name. I'm going to give DC01. Okay, domain controller. Now we need to give the folder like where we need to store this virtual machine. Okay, like for that I already created one separate folder. Same way you can able to you can create that separate folder like these virtual machines where to store, because just before installing just make sure that we have specific amount of the free space. Okay, let me copy this path. I will store all virtual machines in this folder. Okay, let's give that. That is done. Now here we need to select the ISO file. Let's select the ISO file. Click on others. Navigate to the folder where you copy the files. Okay, this is the server ISO file. Okay, just click on open. Now remove this checkbox. Now let's verify that RAM. Okay, initially like let me give the 4 GB RAM so that installation will be faster. Okay, once that is done, we can reduce this RAM to 1 GB or 2 GB so that we can utilize the remaining RAM. Okay, like on my laptop I have 16 GB RAM. Okay, now for installation purpose, like I'm increasing like 4.5 GB. Okay, once installation is done, okay, once configuration is done, I can reduce to 1 GB or 2 GB. Then remaining memory I can able to use for the SCCM application server. Okay, let me go over hard disk as well. Okay, if you arrange like 130 GB also, it will not directly allocate the 130 GB. Okay, it will dynamically it will take. Okay, let's click on finish now. Okay, before that we need to verify few things. Okay, like if you want to do any changes also, you can able to go to the properties, then you can able to, okay, see here the 4 GB RAM is there. Okay, no need to change anything here. Display the storage, we selected the ISO file. Okay, in the network also, like for now no need to change anything. Okay, going forward, okay, if you need internet access, okay, I will show you like how we can able to get the internet inside the virtual machine. Okay, maybe during the SCM application, like SCM application, we need the internet connection as well. I will show you that how to add the extra internet adapter as well. And also we need to create, we can able to access our local physical laptop folders to inside the virtual machine. Like here we need to configure folders. Okay, I will show you like how to configure these files as well. Let's go cancel it. Now let's start the virtual machine. Okay, it is pretty simple. Just go with the default settings, no need to change anything. Click next, install now. Okay, I'm selecting the quick graphical environment. If you by default it will select as a command prompt. Okay, we don't like I'm selecting graphical environment. Okay, let's select the graphical environment. Let's click on next. Okay, accept that license and terms. Okay, click next. Go to custom. Okay, this is the hard disk we created earlier, like 130 GB. Let's click next. Okay, it will take a few minutes. Okay, let's wait. Meanwhile, it will get during these installation steps. Meanwhile, it will get rebooted. Okay, no need to take any action. It will get automatically resume like from where it is. Okay, let's wait. Okay, now device getting rebooted. Let's wait. Okay, now it's getting restarted. Let me give the password. Okay. Okay. Now that is done, let me log into the virtual machine. Okay, now virtual machine is ready. Like now, what are the next steps? Okay, next we need to install the drivers and add-ons. Okay, why add-ons is needed? Okay, I will tell you like why exactly. Now we can see that a small screen, right? Like once you install the drivers, we can able to see the full screen. And also I told you earlier, like we need share folders as well. And if you want to enable the clipboard copy paste from the virtual machine to the your physical machine, so that the drivers mandatory. Like without drivers cannot able to like access the share folders. Like jet drive in production, you can able to see that jet drives are in the network share folders, right? Same way we can able to access the share folders, we can able to configure it. Okay, without drivers we cannot able to do that. Okay, and also like the window how where it is displaying. Okay, now let's see how we can install. Okay, go to the file explorer. Okay, now by default ISO file is there. Okay, what we need to do to get the drivers, just go to the devices, then click on the here. Okay, insert guest add-ons. Okay, it will automatically okay mounted here. Just open this. Okay, now click on the 64-bit, or you can click on the okay auto run sh as well. Anything is fine. Go with the by default settings. No need to change anything. Okay, almost it is finished. Okay, for that device reboot needed. Okay, let's reboot the device virtual machine. After rebooting, like we can able to see this window of full screen. You can able to observe the thing. Okay, did it get done? Go to devices inputs. Okay, okay. Even though if you install the drivers, if still if you are not able to see the full screen, like what you need to do. Okay, here somewhere in the view you can go to the full screen mode. Okay, then again if you come back again, okay, you can able to see the full screen. Okay, so that visibly it is easy for you, okay, to navigate. Now next step is like we need to change the basic settings, host name and network adapters and all. Okay, let me go to the server manager. Everything we can able to change from the server manager. Okay, maximize this. Go to the local server here in the left hand side. Now first we need to change the host name. Okay, let me change the host name. Change. I'm providing DC0 DC01. Okay, for this also reboot is required. Okay, I will do the reboot later. Okay, once if you click on close button, you can able to get that reboot option. Okay, let's see, close this one. Okay, this is what. Okay, I will do the reboot later. Okay, meanwhile I will configure, let me configure the remaining things. Okay, now firewall in production, maybe like production, no need to turn off the firewalls. Okay, need to enable the required firewall ports. Okay, in the lab we're turning off the firewalls. Okay, let me turn off this as well. Okay, now once a domain controller installed, like we can able to see that. Okay, any firewalls is turn off or turn on, like we need to verify that again. Okay, let me close this one. Now we need to go with the adapter settings as well, network adapter ethernet settings. Okay, click on this one. Now go to properties. Now disable the IPv6 and double click on IPv4. Okay, go with the manual IPs. Now I'm providing the IP 10.10. Okay, 10.10.10.1. Okay, just click on the tab button. It will get by subnet mask. It will take by default. Now here we need to provide the DNS server. In the lab we are using the same server as a DNS as well, right? That's why I'm providing the same. Okay, 10.10.10.1. Okay, that's it. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now this is done. Okay, now like let's reboot the server before we start installing the domain controller. Okay, let's reboot the server virtual machine. Once the that is, let me remove that first. You can able to see the host name changes here. As of now, still it is not changed. Once the reboot is done, you can able to see the host name DC01. Okay, continue. Let's open the server manager again. Go to local server. See here the host name is changed. Firewalls are off. We can see that adapter Ethernet IP address as well one. Okay. Now next step is like we need to configure the domain control. Okay. For that, go to dashboard. Click on the add roles and features. Okay. Click next. Click next. Click next here. No need to select anything. Here we are installing the Active Directory domain service. Okay. Click on the Active Directory domain services. Okay. Click on add feature. These are the required feature. It will automatically install. Okay. Click next. Okay. Click next. Next. Okay. Let's click on the restart if it is required. Okay. Click on yes. Once it is done, it will automatically reboot it. Okay. Let's see. Once this is done, like we need to configure the we need to create the new domain controller. Okay. Domain name, we need to provide the new domain name. Let's see. Okay, installation is success. Now we need to do the post configurations. Okay, click on the flag here. You can able to see that yellow option. Okay, click on that. Okay, promote the server to the domain controller. Okay, click on this. Now here we need to create the new domain. Mm, MECMlab.com. Okay, I'm providing that. Click on next. Okay, click on the password here. I'm going with the basic settings. No, I'm not configuring anything. Okay, let's click on the next. Click next. The BIOS name it will automatically will take. Let's wait. Okay, click on next. Okay, I'm not changing any default paths. Okay, in the production maybe DC team they will install it. Okay, click on next. That's it. Let's click on next. Okay, install. Once I think it is installation is done, it will automatically get it rebooted, and it will we need to log in with the domain controllers. Okay, as of now we are logged in as a local admin. Now once it is done, like we need to log in with the domain account. Okay, it will get automatically rebooted. Yes. Just wait for a few minutes, it will get okay. Now reboot it again. Once this is done, like let me meanwhile now it is done, like create new for ninth step. Okay, we need to re-verify the network adapter like and firewall status, like if is there any firewalls new firewall came. Okay, so we need to turn off that as well. Remaining steps, so we'll do one by one. Okay, rebooted. Let's see. If you observe here, we got the domain name. Okay, let me enter the password. Now let's open the server manager again. We'll verify the firewalls and IP network adapter settings. Okay, once that is done, we'll go with the next steps. Okay, go to local server here. Okay, still it is loading. Okay, all firewalls are off. Okay, no need to worry. Let me go to the Ethernet settings. Go to properties. Just double click on IPv4. See here, the IP DNS IP address is changed. Okay, we need to give the IP address 10.10.10.1. Okay, click OK, click OK, close this. Okay, that is done. Now next step is we need to check the domain DNS and all, like see here, DNS and reverse lookup zone, everything we need to configure one by one. Let's go to the virtual machine. All once domain controller is installed, we can able to see that. Okay, the tools related to the Active Directory, we can able to see that under Windows administrative tools. Okay, let's open the DNS first. Double click on DC, then reverse lookup zone. Right click on it and create new zone. Click next, 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 next. Just give the IP DNS 10.10.10. Okay, click next. Here we need to select the second option. Okay, click next here, click finish. Okay, that's it. Reverse lookup zone created now. Now let's go to the ADSI edit. Here, before creating ADSI edit, okay, we need to extend the schema as well. Okay, for that we need SCCM setup file, like where we can. Okay, this lookup zone is completed. Okay, validation, everything is done. Like now we need to extend the schema. Once the schema is extended, we need to create the system management container under the ADSI edit. Once that is done, we need to provide the specific permissions to the system management container. Okay, now what we need to do, like we need SCM setup file under the virtual machine. Okay, as I told you earlier, like we need to make it as a J drive. Okay, how we will do that? For that, like okay, let's go to the devices and share folders. Share folders here. Click on share folders. Select the path. Okay, where we downloaded and we keep the software side. This is the folder. Okay, let's select this folder. I'm making as a auto mount. Okay, and whenever we started the virtual machine, it will automatically connect here. Okay, click on OK. Let's see if it is not displaying immediately, maybe we need to reboot. Okay, I think it got displayed because we installed the drivers already, right? That's why it got appeared automatically. Let's click on this one. We need SCM setup file. Where it is, this is the one. Let's copy this file to the locally to the domain controller, or you can copy to the C drive temp folder. You can copy here. Now we need to extract this application. Right click and open. It will automatically extracted here. Let's see if the we no need to complete files. Let's see our required file it came or not. Go to bin CCM setup x64. Search with the okay. This is the file. Okay, this is the exact file we need. Okay, just what we need to do, just we need to right click and run as administrator, like, and also once that is done we can able to see the one log file. Okay, I will show you that where this under the C drive directly we can able to see the log file here. Like let me open new window here. Now as of now there is no any log file here. Once we executed this one, immediately we can able to see the log file here. Okay, let's right click and run as administrator. Now that is done. See here in the backend, the log file got created. Here in this log file, we can able to see that verify whether the schema extension is completed successfully or not. If it is not successful, we can able to we can see the errors here. Okay, now here we can see that successfully extended the schema. Okay, now schema extension is done. Now we need to open the ADSI edit and we need to create the system management container folder. Okay, now let's go to the ADSI edit, double click on it, or right click and connect to. Okay, just click on OK, expand this, expand, and under the system. Okay, right click on the system folder, or okay, directly okay, right click on the white panel here. Okay, anything is fine. Right click on new object. Okay, select the container, click next. Now here we need to provide the exact name, system management container. Okay, okay, make sure that spelling is correct. Okay, because if the spelling is wrong, it will get an throw in error. Like okay, now system management created. Now we need to provide the specific permissions. Okay, let's go to the properties, security. Okay, domain controllers full control is there, and the enterprise admins also full controller is there, and administrators also full control. We need to provide that, and also we need to provide the permissions to the primary site, host name, and like any secondary site we are creating, everything we need to create here. Like as of now, like we are not created the primary site yet, right? Like once the application server is configured, again we need to come back here and we need to add the our primary site host name, and we need to provide the complete permissions for the system management container folder. Okay, while installing, that is the one of the prerequisite for the okay MECM application, like we'll do while installing the okay. Let's go to advanced here. Okay, whatever the full controller here, double click on it, select the second option, click OK. Same way administrators as well, click OK, apply. Enterprise admin, everything is good. Okay, administrators also good. Also, like once if you add the primary site or secondary site host names, we can able to see here. And also we need to provide the same thing, full controller and the second option. Just click on apply. Okay, click apply. Okay, okay, that's it. Now all required 15 steps are completed. Now we have completely working domain controller. Okay, to install the MECM application. Okay, now domain controller is up and running. Now in the next video, we'll see that SQL installation and all other required prerequisites for the MECM as well. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.